I'm Dr. Snehal Shah, and I would like to speak on a very crucial aspect, a very important aspect of the life that we deal with. Now, what do you want from the life? You want a good career, you want a good family, you want your kids to do well, you want to retire happily, you want to see to it that your kids are doing well, you want to see that your family is doing well. Now, tobacco is going to cut through all. Tobacco is going to shorten everything. Now, let's take an example of a professional who has to work, who has to deliver the goods every day. This professional, whether it be a engineer or a job seeker, he is doing a job, he will go to his work daily. Now, this tobacco is going to cut down on the concentration ability. It's going to cut down on your work front. This is going to cause them to take leaves. This people would not go to the work because of tobacco induced problems. What kind of problems do we anticipate? They will have repeated bouts of infection meaning sore throat. They will have respiratory tract infections. They will have repeated not only this but even the lung exacerbations like chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. They'll get asthmatic attacks. So exacerbation of asthmatic attacks would happen with the smoking, and this will lead to many cuts in their salary because they would not report to the job. So not only are they going to affect the earning of their own family, but they're also going to reduce the productivity of the job of the job they are doing. So eventually it is going to impact onto the country as a whole. When we see that our country in this 21st century is going high, the economy is booming, this is one of the crucial factors which will prevent it from our reaching our global standards of our country. So as a person who is going for a job, they will have lot of holidays, hospital induced stays. Not only will it affect the job, it will also affect the family. Salary will be cut down. The patient will have to pay the hospital bills. The bills will go. Repeated hospital admissions will lead to increased payment and further deterioration of health. Not only that, the family will get haywire. Not only it will affect the wife who has to deal not only with the husband but also with the education of his kids or her kids. So even the education is going to get affected. More the people are educated, more the literacy, more the education, the more the country is going to progress. So again, it's going to hurt the country's progress in a big way. Not only that, the family will go either thither. So the idea is to avoid smoking at all cost. This is not only going to affect the professional life, but it is also going to affect the social life and the country at the large. Thank you so much. I would again like to reiterate that this is the tobacco which is cutting onto the life, so it's a knife which cuts the life. Thank you.